to my makeup routine 2018. So for my face, as usual, I always skip a primer and use this type of moisturizer. Anything that is lightweight and non-oily works really well. So for my foundation, I actually mixed these two. So this one is my kind of current favorite. It's a bit too dark to me right now, but this one is a bit too light for my skin, so I mixed one two to get my perfect custom shade. And next, guys, I just have to put some brows on because I just have to. This time I just had to put the brows off camera, guys, because today is not an easy brow day. Sometimes it happens. So whenever I go out without a brow, people are like, oh, something is different about you. Maybe you're sick, maybe you haven't slept so well. Yeah, I'm just so sorry, it's just my natural face. For my lips recently, I've been using this lip liner from Essence. It's long-lasting lip pencil, waterproof lip pencil, and it is in a really natural nude color. How natural this color looks. It's really good. Just a tiny bit of lip balm. That's it. Next, I'll go to the eyes. So for the eyes, I usually use just a ashy toned eyeshadow, usually one color only, because it's supposed to be an easy everyday look. Okay guys, so probably you have noticed that recently I've been actually posting on this channel, because usually I post like one video every 2 or 3 months if it happens, and recently I've been posting like once or twice a week. I'm so sorry if it was annoying to get too much content over such a short time. Just kidding, guys. And when I looked what kind of videos I've posted so far, I noticed that exactly 2 years ago I actually posted a makeup routine video, and I decided that it's a perfect time to film another one, because it's been exactly 2 years since that video. That was one of my first videos ever made, and it's really interesting personally to me how this video turns out when I finish filming it and I finish editing it, because I haven't watched that old one, the old makeup routine. And you know, guys, it's not really actually about the makeup. It's not about how the products have changed, not about how the makeup routine has changed. It's more about how I personally changed, how my English got improved, and how my video editing improved or not. Okay, now I'm just smudging the lower lid. So where was I? Yeah, the changes. There was quite a lot of personal change during these past 2 years, because one of the biggest changes was that I got married. So yeah, marriage is quite a big deal and it changes your life a lot. Okay, now I want to blend the edges a bit, so I'm going with this really fluffy big brush. Is it too much, or it's not even visible? Because, you know, guys, when I do the makeup on camera and when I do it off camera, it looks super differently, because under these soft boxes, under this lightning, you don't really see how much of a color you applied. So I'm just hoping it's not too much. Okay, next I think I'll go for eyeliner. I'm using my old good friend, the Kiko one. This is this is probably the best eyeliner in the world, and I'm saying it because it works really well. I personally stopped wearing such a huge dramatic eyeliner look, and now I prefer more shadows and less eyeliner. Gosh, this requires so much concentration. Okay, this one good. Okay, I can't really see what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so next let's put some false lashes on. When you have a normal job, normal life, you don't really have that much of free time to do your hobbies, and this personal channel is my free time activity. So a month ago I decided that I wasn't giving love to this channel, and when you don't give love and don't put effort, really nothing could grow. So this channel, this baby just haven't got a chance to grow. Gosh, I just haven't been posting at all. My profile picture is super old and my cover art is like a random picture at all. So yeah, how could you expect this to grow if you're not putting effort, if you're not putting job here? So I decided to use more of my free time for this channel to film more. So I'm gonna be filming as usual the hair care, hairstyling videos, try-ons, glowing inspiration, as well as some things like makeup, travel, something that is new to me, maybe a bit random for this channel, but still interesting to watch. Okay, and I just forgot I had to put my lashes on. I think you shouldn't be using mascara on false lashes, but just to blend my natural and fake lashes all together. When I think of the reasons why I even started filming the videos, one of them were I really wanted to get less shy, because I used to be a really super shy person and I really didn't like that. So I decided that I really have to step out of my comfort zone, and filming videos and uploading them to public, to all the world, should help me to go through that. Besides that, of course, improving my English, because my English was dying. Of course, it still is kind of as you probably noticed, I'm not a native English speaker, so don't learn English for me, please, just don't. And of course, filming videos, creating content, editing also helps you to grow as a person, because you learn new things, because you have to be creative. And lastly, guys, let's do some highlighter. So yeah guys, this is a finished makeup look. This is a makeup routine I do most of the time, not like every single day, because there are a lot of days when I just don't wear makeup at all. But if I have to go out somewhere, have a photo shoot or film a video, I usually wear that much of makeup. Sometimes I don't wear fake lashes, I choose to wear more shadows or a stronger lip color. So this is a really basic, versatile makeup look you can change depending on the day. And yeah guys, that's all for the day. I hope you liked this type of video. Thanks for watching and we'll meet in my next one. Bye guys.